Hi everyone! Today I'm going to bring you to the famous Ace Cards and Collectibles located at Valley Megamall in KL. Now let me show you the way using the escalator at ground floor center court. Okay, now we've reached 3rd floor and Ace is at North Court. So it's the opposite of the cinema. Da-da-da-da! Okay, so I'm going to use the escalator opposite of Daiso to reach 3rd floor mezzanine. Ta-da! We've reached our destination. Oh, actually there's another way using the elevator. So I'm now at lower ground floor near KFC at Center Court, and I'm going to use the Center North elevator next to OSIM. We are going straight up to 5th floor. Now let's go in and have a look. Now let me show you what they have. Lastly, this is one of the hottest product in store, Ichiban Kuji. Come try your luck and win amazing prizes. For a hassle-free shopping experience, you can also visit their website acecards.com. You may also check out their Facebook and Instagram accounts. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.